Welcome to Smart Tool Buddy. In this video, we are going to introducing the best mobile video kit for iPhone 15 Pro Max, SmallRig, and Brandon. Lee introduced a custom phone cage kit for the iPhone 15 Pro Max featuring a unique Desert Oasis gradient color and Brandon Lee's exclusive signature. This edition adds a touch of exclusivity and style to your video gear. Key features: SmallRig X Brandon Lee Co-Design Edition. In September 2023, SmallRig and Brandon Lee jointly created the phone cage kit for iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Desert Oasis gradient color and manufacturing process, as well as Brandon Lee's exclusive signature, give the product a unique sense of exclusiveness. Dual handheld design. SmallRig Phone Video Kit 4407 is specially designed for iPhone 15 Pro Max, featuring two phone handles for stable videoing and vlogging, with the wireless control side handle for efficient one-click shooting, with 52mm magnetic VND filter and filter adapter. The Mobile Video Kit 4407 is equipped with a magnetic 52mm VND filter ND2, ND32, 5-stop, and a 52mm filter ring, which can make the image smoother and more cinematic. Balance exposure times by rotating the outer polarizer to reduce the amount of light when shooting rivers, waterfalls, traffic, etc. No impact on mobile phone use. The phone video cage kit features a hollow design to maintain access to all buttons, ports, radar, and ultra-wide-angle lens, and is fully compatible with MagSafe wireless chargers. It will not affect the normal use of the mobile phone. What can you get? The package includes 1X signed Cage 4473, 1X signed wireless control quick release side, handle 4402, 1X quick release side, handle 4403, 1x52mm, magnetic VND filter 4215, 1X, magnetic filter ring adapter 3840C, 3X spare screws, and professional after-sales service. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Why purchase this product? The SmallRig X Brandon Lee Mobile Video Kit is a premium, co-designed edition created in collaboration with renowned filmmaker Brandon Lee, offering a unique blend of style and functionality. The dual handheld design ensures stable and professional quality video shooting, making it perfect for YouTube videos, vlogs, and other content creation. The included 52mm. Please follow and subscribe to us for more videos like this.